How Verasity is changing esports and video forever. Why are there not more people talking about Verasity? Blockchain for video ads. Blockchain for video ads. Real rewards for viewers. Real rewards for viewers. A patented protocol. This is next level. A patented protocol. This is next level. Here's why you should care. Verasity isn't just another crypto project. Verasity isn't just another crypto project. Protocol layer, product layer platform, built for esports and video entertainment, boosting ad revenues for publishers, no matter what video platform. The secret? Their patented proof-of-view technology. The secret? Their patented proof-of-view technology. Advertisers and publishers finally know which views are real. Viewers get rewarded with VRA tokens for their attention. Viewers get rewarded with VRA tokens for their attention. Verasity earns through tournament hosting on esportsfightclub.com. Subscriptions, commissions, ad revenues, transaction fees, and with B2B products rolling out soon, Verasity is set to transform how we watch, play, and earn online. Verasity, watch, earn, trust.